Mensuration, exercise 10.3, first question. An iron pillar consists of a cylindrical portion, of 2.8 meters height, and 20 centimeters in diameter, and a cone of 42 centimeters height, surmounted it. Find the weight of the pillar. Find the weight of the pillar if 1 centimeter cube of iron weighs 7.5 grams. 1 centimeter cube of iron weighs 7.5 grams. An iron pillar consists of a cylindrical portion of 2.8 meters height and 20 centimeters in diameter, and a cone of 42 centimeters height surmounted it. Find the weight of the pillar if 1 centimeter cube of iron weighs 7.5 grams. Okay, so in the exercise 10.1 we done the problems simply based on surface areas and values, so without combination of two or more solids. In the exercise 10.2 we find surface areas of two or more figures if joined two or more figures solids. In the exercise 10.3 we are finding the volumes and surface areas, both volumes and surface areas. Here volumes is in additional, so we need to find out the volumes also. Okay, weight is nothing but here we are finding value. First, iron pillar which containing cylinder as well as core. Solution: iron pillar is in the shape of cylinder surmounted by core. So here we weight is nothing but we need to find out the value. So here iron pillar height of cylinder equal 2.8 meters, but per centimeter cube, so I want to convert into centimeters. Okay, 2.8 into 100 equal to 280 centimeters. Height equal to 280 centimeters. So radius of cylinder which is equal to radius of cone. So that is R equal to, so diameter is given D equal to how much? 42 centimeters, implies R equal to half of 42, 21 centimeters. Okay, now so iron pillar, okay, height and 20 centimeters, diameter is 20 centimeters, not 42, 20 centimeters. So 10 centimeters is the radius. Next, diameter, and a cone 42 centimeters height of cone. Actually I am taking this is capital H. Height of cone small h equal to 42 centimeters. Okay, so I want to find out the weight. So before weight, value of solid equal to volume of solid is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. So volume equal to cylinder volume formula pi r square capital H 1 by 3 pi r square small h. So radius is same but height will be different. So what is common? Pi r square common, capital H plus 1 by 3 small h. So pi 22 by 7 r square, r into r value how much? 10 into 10. H value capital H equal to how much? 280 plus 1 by 3 into small h equal to 42. 3 into 1, 3 into 14. So 42 into 3 equal to 14 into 3 equal to 42. So this is 280. So next 22 by 7 into 100 into 280 plus 14, 294. So 7 into 1, 7 into 4, 28, 14, 7 into 2, 14. So 42 into 22, 42, 22, 84, 84. So 924. So 92400 centimeter cube. So value equal to 12400 centimeter cube. Per 1 centimeter cube equal to how much? 7.5 grams. So total weight equal to 92400 into 7.5. So 92400 into 75 by 10. So 0 0 getting cancelled. 924 into 75 equal to 5 20 6 28 2 14 plus 2 16 63 plus 1 64 0 0 3 1 9 7 6 6 9 3 double 0 and 1 more 0 grams. So 693 into 1000 grams. So 1000 grams equal to kilogram equal to kg. The weight, total weight is equal to 693 kilograms. So this is the required solution. Next question number 2. So instead of 2, I want to discuss third one. First third. Find the value of the largest. Find the value of largest right circular cone. Largest right circular cone. Find the value of largest right circular cone. Can be cut out. Can be cut out of a cube. Of a cube can be cut out of a cube whose edge is 7 centimeters. Whose edge is 7 centimeters. Okay, so let us consider cube. So we need to find out the value of largest right circular cone. So we need to find how to cut. So first we are taking a circle and a cut. So this is the circle. Next this is the base. If we are taking the circle, this is the base. So base of the cone, diameter of the cone is the edge of the cube, and so we need to cut till the end, till the opposite end. So it is nothing but height is also equal to edge. So edge, so side of the cube which is equal to the diameter, side of the cube is nothing but it is also equal to height. So if solution, if we cut the largest right circular cone from a cube. Then, so if we cut the largest right circular cone, then what happens? So height of cone equal to side of cube, and one more. So diameter of cone is equal to side of cube. Side of cube. So side how much? It is 7. So side equal to 7 centimeter. Then h equal to 7, and r equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Diameter equal to 7. Radius equal to half of the diameter. So value equal to 1 by 3 pi r square. Is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into what is r? 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. H 7. So 2 into 1, 2 into 11. 7, 7 cancel. So 7 into 7, 49. 5, 49 into 11. 49, 490, 539 by 6. 539 by 6 square centimeter. Square, not square, cubic centimeter. So this is the required value. Okay. Next question. Question is second one. A toy is made in the form of hemisphere. A toy is made in the form of hemisphere. Surmounted by a right cone. Surmounted by a right cone. Surmounted by a right cone. Whose circular base is joined. Whose circular base is joined with the plane. Surface of the hemisphere. The radius of the base of the cone. The radius of the base of the cone and surface area of the die correct to two decimal places. Okay. So something is mixed here. One more time. A tie is made in the form of hemisphere surmounted by a cone whose circular base joined with the plane surface of the hemisphere. The radius of the base of the cone from here, the information is not. Base of the cone is 7 centimeters. And its value is 3 by 2 of the hemisphere. 3 by 2 of the hemisphere. Calculate the height of the cone. Calculate the height of the cone and surface area of the toy. Correct to two places of this one. Correct to two places of decimal. Okay, so once we will discuss a tile made in the form of hemisphere surmounted by a right cone. So the combination of hemisphere and cone. Okay, circular base joined in the plane surface of the hemisphere. If the radius of the base of the cone r equal to 7 and volume of the and its volume is 3 by 2 of the hemisphere. Volume of the cone which is equal to 3 by 2 volume of the hemisphere. Calculate the height of the cone, surface area and the surface area of the tile. We need to find out the height of the cone and surface area. Okay, solution. So tile is in the shape of hemisphere surmounted by cone. So radius of hemisphere equal to radius of cone. Radius of hemisphere is equal to radius of cone. Okay, next the radius r equal to 7 centimeters. Next, volume of cone equal to 3 by 2 volume of hemisphere. Okay, volume of cone formula 1 by 3 into pi r square h equal to 3 by 2 into volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 into pi r cube. So 3 cancel, 2 cancel, both sides pi cancel. So r square into h equal to 3r cube. H equal to 3r cube by r square. R square cancel 3r. H equal to 3r. 3 into r value how much? 7. H equal to 21. H value 21. We got H value. Okay, now we need a surface area of the tile. Surface area of the tile has two faces. Curved face of hemisphere, curved face of cone. So curved surface area formula for cone. So cone formula pi r l. L equal to L square equal to r square plus h square. L square equal to r square. R value equal to how much? R value 7 square. H value 21 square. So 7 square 49. 441. So equal to 490. So L equal to root of 490 equal to root of 49 into 10. So 7 root 10. So root 10 we need to calculate. Root 10. 3 into 3 9 1. So 0.20 so 3 9 6 1 61 into 1 61 39 2 zeros 1 62. So next 6. So 26 into 6 into 6 36 5 6 into 2 12 5 36 37. Okay, so somewhat 44. So 3.7 into 3.16. So root 10 value 3.16. Later I want to substitute this one. Now L value 7 root 10. So root 10 value 3.16. Now what we need? So surface area of tile which is equal to TSA, not TSA, CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cone pi r l, CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square. Pi r common, l plus 2r. So pi 22 by 7. R value how much? R value 7 into l 7 root 10 plus 2r 2 into 7. So 7 7 cancel, 22, 7 common, root 10 plus 2. So 22 into 7, 154. Root 10 value 3.16 plus 2, 5.16. So multiply. So 154, 516, 6, 24 to 60, 92, 154. So 7, 5 into 4, 20, 2, 75, 77. Okay, now 4, 6, 4, 9, 7. 7, 9, 4.64. So centimeters square. This is the required solution. Okay, next question. So we will discuss seventh question. Seventh question is a pen stand is made. A pen stand is made. A pen stand is made of wood. A pen stand is made of wood in the shape of cuboid. In the shape of cuboid. In the shape of cuboid with 3 conical depressions. With 3 conical depressions. With 3 conical depressions to hold the pens. To hold the pens. To hold the pens. The dimensions of cuboid. The dimensions of cuboid are 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. 3.5 centimeters. The radius of each depression is 0.5 centimeters, and the depth is 1.4 centimeters, and the depth is 1.4 centimeters. Find the value of cone. Find the value of wood in the entire stand. Okay, so here a pen stand. In the pen stand made up of a wood. So 3 conical depressions. So solution: a wood stand is in the shape of cuboid with 3 conical depressions. So a pen stand having cuboid shape with conical depressions. So L equal to length 15 centimeters, breadth B equal to 10 centimeters, height H equal to 3.85 centimeters. So this is the next one. So conical depressions. So radius, how much it is given? 0.5 centimeters. Next, depth, it is nothing but height, 1.4 centimeters. So depth and radius, it is given. So next, value of wood equal to value of cuboid minus 3 into value of cone. Value of cuboid LBH minus 3 into cone value 1/3 pi r square h. 3 getting cancelled. So length 15, breadth 10, height the 0.5 minus pi equal to 22 by 7. R equal to how much? 0.5 is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. H equal to 1.5, 14 by 10. So 2 into 7, 14, 14 cancel. 2 into 1, 11. Next, so point if we remove point 10, 10 cancel. 15 into 35, 15 into 5, 75. 50 into 3, 45 plus 7, 52. Minus 11 by 10, 1.1. 523.9 centimeter cube. So this is the required solution.